RideTheWindEbikes, Jolene. I'm gonna do the walk around review features on the new Fusion by Nexa, it's by Matrix. That's another one. We won't cut that out. So, I think it's so cute. It's got such a cute style. Like, this is the Vespa style of mobility scooters. It's hard to get some good, cute design and have a mobility scooter into one, and I think that's what they've done with this. I think it's pretty brilliant. It comes in the silver and the white only, and it's in a matte color. So this one's really interesting. This has a different feature where it doesn't have a motor brake. So as you go, it doesn't stop you, but when you do come to a stop, and if you're on a little bit of a hill, it actually has a motor stop to it. You see how I can't move it freely? Which I like, because otherwise you have a parking brake, which is right here. I'll get you to come in closer. This is your parking brake. So you pull it in to let it go. You just move that little lever there. It catches one of the little teeth, and now you're definitely in park. But when it's just by itself, it has a little bit, it's hard to describe. If you push it more, it will go. Actually, it goes forward better. See that? So it's still in neutral, but it has a nice safety where it won't roll away. That's very new. I love that. Okay, so it is a 60 volt, 20 amp hour lead acid. You're going to get between 40 and 50 kilometers per charge, depending on your speed and hills, how much you weigh. And it comes with everything that you would want. So this is definitely one you can bring into a store. And this is what I love about the front storage here, because now it's 4 wheels, so you don't have as good of a turning radius, but if you do want to bring this into a bigger store like Walmart, you have absolutely no issues. Grab what you need, put it in the front. It has an alarm system as well. So if you do leave it outside, you can lock it. As soon as somebody goes to move it, it's going to set the alarm. It's got a nice digital screen. So I'll show you the features here. It has 3 speeds. It has 1, 2, and 3, which shows on your screen here. And your top speed on this, I believe, is 25 kilometers an hour. So it boots pretty good. But it's got a nice slower takeoff. So it's been toned down, so it doesn't feel dangerous at all. You have reverse. Just press the R button again. Here, I'll show you this. So press the R, you're in reverse. Press it again to turn it off. These are your lights. So your daylight running, night lights, and then your high beam and your low beam. These are your signals. It does not make a sound, but you have an indicator on your screen to the right, and then just push it to the center to turn it off. Horn and park, which just means now you have no throttle. Press it again, and now you got your throttle back. So, tubeless tires. It is zippy. So it's less, woo! I'm on 3, I'm going as fast as I can to make it easy. Now, if I were to do the same thing on first, you can't. You see? I was taking it a little extreme. And I had mentioned before, I like the brake levers. They're larger than you normally get on some of the other models. So just makes it nice there. Okay, so to charge your scooter is right here. It just goes into a regular 110. There's no special outlets or cords or anything like that. You do need an extension cord. Use a good one. Okay, don't get something from the dollar store. Your tires, you want to check those every month at least. You want to make sure that you don't let your tires go low, because your distance is going to reduce drastically. And you want to make these about 35 psi, between 30 and 35 psi. Get those checked out. Storage. You've got a nice enclosed storage at the back. It's quite large. Here's your charger here. like the design of that. If you ever have to transport it, these are nice too. These lift up. Two men could or really strong women could definitely lift this into a vehicle, so it's a little bit more transportable. What else? LED lights, hydraulic disc brakes. Those are pretty standard on all of them. And the price we'll put in the description because I forget what it is at the very moment. But good job for Matrix by making something that's cute and stylish. Oh, but one of the downfalls, the seat, it doesn't move. Just so you know, this is what it is. So pros and cons, right? So now, no, I was gonna say if you could move this handlebars, but there you can't. You can't move the handlebars in this. So this is the size. I'm 5'3". Okay. Armrests, they're also just in one spot as well. So there you go. Oh, let's see. Hold on one second. Let's see the gray. Ah, because I lied. It's not matte. Take in the sunlight. Oh, metallic gray. Very nice. Thanks for watching.